Good morning, students. Today we will be doing the same exercise 6, section C, question number 5, 6, and 7. Alright, so let us start with question number 5. Now, in the figure, AB is parallel to CD. Find the value of x. Alright, so let us solve question number 5. So AB is parallel to DC. Alright, so in question number 5 we have to use some logic, and we have to do a little bit of construction, because as you can clearly see in the figure, the different pairs of angle are not being formed. All right, for example, angle BAE and DCE, they do not form any pairs of angles. All right, and also DCE and AEC also, they do not form any pairs of angle, so it becomes difficult to find the value of x. So what we need to do in this case is we have to do some construction. All right, so so in order to do some construction, we have to construct it in such a way that we will be able to find the value of x. So in this case, what we will do is we know that AB is parallel to CD. So what we will do is we will extend. All right, we will extend this line DC in such a way that it will intersect the line AE. All right, so let us extend line DC. So what happened is that it intersect line AE at let us name it as F. All right, so from here we can see that a triangle is being formed. So in this case, the triangle which is being formed is triangle FEC. All right, so let us see now whether we are able to find the measurement of x. All right, so let us name this as all right, we will name this as angle 1, this as angle 2, this as angle 3, and this as angle 4. All right, so from here we can see that angle 4 and angle 3, what do they form? Corresponding angles. All right, so if only we could find the measurement, of angle 3, then we would be able to find the measurement of angle 4. All right, so in this case, let us find first the measurement of angle 3. All right, so we know that FEC is a triangle and angle 1 is 20, so we need the measurement of another angle. So we know that, let us name this as angle 5. All right, so we know that angle 2 and angle 5, they form linear pair. So if this is 130, so 180 minus 130, how much are we getting? 50. All right, so angle 5 we have gotten. What is the measurement? 50. All right, so now it is easier for us to find the measurement of angle 3. So we will be using angle sum property. So 50 plus 20 will be 70. So using angle sum property, it will be 180 minus 70. So how much are we getting? 110. So angle 3 will be 110. All right, so in this case, to find x, it has become very easy. So we will be using corresponding angles. If angle 3 is 110, therefore angle 4 also will be 110. So in this case, the value of x is 110. Alright, so I hope the concept is clear. So you write given. So given AB is parallel to CD, then to find, what do we have to find? Value of x. All right. Then construction. All right, construction, we did some construction over here. So DC is extended. DC is extended as shown in figure such that it intersect at it intersect AE at F. All right. Also angle ECF is equal to because we name it as angle 5. Angle CFE we name it as angle 3. All right, and angle BAF we name it as angle 4. So let us start solution with the solution. So so you write we know angle 2 plus angle 5 is equal to 180. All right. Reason, linear pair. So angle 2 is 130 degree plus angle 5 is equal to 180. So angle 5 is equal to 180 minus 130. Angle 5 measurement will be 50 degree. All right. Now in triangle FEC, angle 1 plus angle 5 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. What is the reason? Angle sum property of a triangle. So this will be 20 plus 50 plus angle 3, so it will be 70 plus angle 3, 180. So angle 3 will be 180 minus 70. So therefore measurement of angle 3 will be 110. All right. Also angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Reason, corresponding angles. So if angle 3 is 110, therefore angle 4 is 110. All right. So the value of x, that is x, what's the value of x? 110 degree. So this will be your answer. All right, student, so let us start with question number 6. All right, question number 6, in the figure AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to ED. Find the value of x. All right. So in this case, AB is parallel to CD and CB is parallel to CD or DE. All right. So if they are parallel, it means the angles are equal. So D and C, the angles will be equal, and AB and CD angle B and C will be equal. All right. So let us find the measurement of x. All right, so in this case also it is the same as question number 5. So what we will do here is that we will do a little bit of construction work. So what we will do is we will produce DC. All right, so we will produce DC, and also we will produce AB. So just by looking at the diagram, it becomes clear that AB and DC are parallel lines, and we can say that BC is a transversal line. All right, since all the lines are parallel, the angles also will be equal. So how do we find the measurement of x? Very simple. So let us name this as angle 1. We can name this as angle 2. All right, so now it becomes easy. So angle 1 and angle 2, angle 1 and angle 2, what pairs of angle do they form? Can you guess? Yes, correct, they form consecutive interior angles. All right, so formula for consecutive interior angle will be angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180. So 180 minus 70, how much are we getting? 110. So the measurement of angle 2 is 110. Now to find the measurement of what will be the measurement of x, very simple. Angle 2, let us name this as angle 3. So angle 2 and angle 3, what pairs of angle do they form? They form alternate interior angles. All right, so if angle 2 is 110, so therefore measurement of x will be 110. So we have gotten the value of x just by simply looking at the diagram. All right, so let me show the written portion. So answer, you write given AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to DE. Then to find, what do we have to find? Value of x. All right, so we have to do a little bit of construction work. So produce, we can also say let us extend. All right, so instead of saying produce, I'll just cut this one. Extend line DC and AB up to ABCD E. We name this as, oh sorry, F and G. So extend line DC and AB to E and G as in the figure. As in the figure. Also angle CDE, we will name it as angle 1. All right, we will name it as angle 1. And angle DCB, we will name it as angle 2. And angle CBA, we will name it as angle 3. Alright, it's okay if you give the equal sign also. So solution. Solution. So you write we know angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 The reason is consecutive interior angles. All right, so angle 1 is 70 plus angle 2 is equal to 180. So angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 70. So angle 2 is equal to 110. All right, so we have found out the measurement of angle 2. Now let's find the value of x. Also, angle 2 is equal to angle 3. What is the reason? Alternate interior angles. So if angle 2 is equal to 110, so therefore angle 3 will also be 110. That is, value of x will be 110. So this will be your answer. All right, so for homework question number 7, you will do it by yourself. All right, so that you'll be able to use by yourself the different pairs of angle, and also it will help in your mental ability to solve this problem. All right, and also note it down in your exercise copy. Thank you.